morning, everyone! Today it's an amazing day because we are at LEGOLAND Dubai. We are gonna have lots of fun. The day has just begun. Let's go!
Opened in 2016, LEGOLAND Dubai is an incredible amusement park, entirely dedicated to the LEGO world. Especially designed for children's age 2 to 12 and their families. It features over 40 interactive attractions and unique experiences. Located within Dubai Parks and Resorts, this park brings the LEGO universe to life, offering unforgettable adventures for visitors of all ages.
We are at the central area of the park, so LEGOLAND Dubai is divided into 6 different theme areas. Now on the right I can see there is a big shop, there are lockers on the left, and we are going to start with the first area, Miniland, behind me. Miniland is awesome. It's an indoor area where you can see iconic landmarks around the world. As this one, you can see Abu Dhabi Mosque just here behind me. They used more than 20 million Lego bricks to build all these landmarks.
And some Legos, they're interactive. There's some buttons and then they do something, like this one.
After pressing all the buttons and marveling at every detail of Miniland, we move on to another unmissable area of the park.
You know what is magical about Lego City? Here in this area they can have adult roles, they can experience adult roles. They can captain a boat, they can have driver license, so it's amazing, different kind of experience for them.
The area is quite large and features incredible places to explore. We visit all the main attractions, including the Rescue Academy, the airport, and the Junior Driving School, which even offer lessons for new drivers, and finish with a boat ride at the seaport.
We just decided to have a break here at Seaport inside Lego City. There is a huge play area for kids. There is also some water so they can splash and have fun. So it's amazing, and the parents can sit down and relax.
After finishing the Lego City, we're going to the Kingdom. And it's from the medieval times. Look at the entrance, it's amazing.
The Kingdoms is definitely one of the most beautiful areas in the park. Filled with enchanting details and featuring a giant, breathtaking castle, it offers a wide variety of attractions, all integrated into the medieval theme. One of the biggest highlights is the roller coaster The Dragon, which is packed with thrills and excitement.
Now we are gonna go to one of our favorite areas, Adventure.
But before continuing our day, we took a break to recharge our batteries at one of the best pizza restaurants in the park.
Now we need to eat because we're starving. And now we're in a themed restaurant of the Egypt. There's mummies, there's Legos. It's so themed that I think I'm in a Lego world.
Our journey began in the mysterious Lost Kingdom, uncovering its secrets and enjoying plenty of adventure. Next, we dove into the deeps of the ocean, aboard a submarine, one of the park's most incredible attractions, which even features a stunning aquarium at the end. To close out the area, we rode the waves on the thrilling and super fun wave racers. The time was flying, and we rushed to explore the imagination area, perfect for unleash kids' creativity. We started at the Lego Buildings stations, where Isadora let her imagination run wild, creating her own constructions. Next, we took a ride on the charming Duplo Express, a perfect little train ride for kids. We also took on the thrilling Kid Power Towers, which requires the strength to climb and rewards you with a spectacular view of the park.
Last area of the day, the factory, for sure. It's where all the Legos were made.
This area was perfect to say goodbye to the magical world of LEGO and dive into the fascinating history of these tiny blocks. We also had the chance to learn more about how they are made and how they are continuing to inspire generations around the world.
Last but not least, the biggest shop here at the park, near the exit, where you can find all kinds of Lego. Isadora will pick up one of them. After some purchase, it's time to go home. We had so much fun today. Hope you enjoyed the videos and all the tips we gave to you. If you like it, please subscribe to our YouTube channel and don't forget to follow us on Instagram as well. See you in our next trip. Bye.